today we are going to make a recipe. Okay, over here we are cutting some apple, one piece, just well. Yes, look. Now over there my mother is there. Hello.
Hi.
Now over here I'm doing this. Okay, it's a very simple process. Now drinking water we need. Okay, drinking water. Pour it in a bowl. 2 cups we need. Okay, and some ketchup pour some ketchup over here. We have Del Monte quality since 1892 ketchup, tomato ketchup, classic blend over here. Okay. Now we need. Okay. Now it must. Is it dissolved? No. Tell me, is it dissolved?
No.
Okay. It's okay. This much is enough, okay? Now over here, did you cut it? Okay. We need some strips like this. Now we have to soak it in this. Okay? It's the apple, the rainfall in the ocean. Shall I? It flew right. Now I'm going to over here we have to suck it for at least 5 minutes, okay? Or at least 1 minute, okay? We have to do like this too, okay? While doing it.
Stir.
Yeah, stir it in the water. Now we have to take it out. Okay, that's okay. Thank you. Okay, this water we need, okay? Take that. Let us wait. This is also used to make samosa in India, okay? Take it out. Okay? Looks like it made a bit like oil-like substance in the water. Is that oil only? If it is oil, tell me. Then I would add it in my rice and cook it with samosa. Okay? Is it rice? Is it rice? Tell me. There you go. There you go. Now, we have these. Now let's see. What next should we add to make our recipe? Let me see. I know it's something you might like. And it is something you might have right now. So, what is it? Shall I tell you? J-A.
Jaggery.
Correct. Okay, I'm going to take some. I want to get some. Yep, I got my. Maybe not. Oh. Okay. Oops. Let's yes. Wait. What is that noise? Okay. Can you hold this? I'm taking a little only. Oops. Shall we add this? I'm putting just a little more. Do that, please. Okay. Okay. Now I have to add this into it, okay? Jaggery. It's it might be a healthy food because we are adding healthy food to it. Maybe it might become a healthy food. Maybe. Let's try. Let's try to make it as healthy as we can. Well, at last we're going to add some salt, spices and sugar. Anything of those? What would you choose? Tell me, what would you choose? Salt, sugar or spices? Just tell me one thing. Okay. Now I will take off my sugar. Just one spoon we are going to add, okay? So we don't get diabetes. Okay? It's very hard. Is it complete? Taking off. I'm going to hold it. Yep. There you go. I'm going to just take some because I want some. Thank you. Okay. Now, now, now we have to add some water again because it should go on to every apple, right? I changed my mind. So now let's see. What's the next step? Well, save that for later, okay? What? Okay, let's put it for later. We need a small cup. Again, let's put that. 30%. Okay, now we have to add some things. I think let's add some ketchup or honey. this, okay? There's just one last thing to add. Shall I tell you? Well, pause. Okay. I need to put it somewhere. It does. Oh, that's good. I'll put here. Okay. Taking this much, okay? Take this much, okay? Okay. I'm letting you see how much it is. Okay. I took a toothpick and I washed it. Okay. Okay, I washed it. Now I'm going to test it. Mm. Okay, it looks a bit delicious. It's making my mind a bit dizzy. It's making my mind a bit dizzy, okay?
Because it is too sweet.
Yes.
So it's good.
Good, but too sweet. 1 minute. Okay, I'm going to make a flag for it, okay?